Dry skin can feel like a daily battle: tightness, flakiness, and that uncomfortable itch that just won't quit. Finding the right moisturizer isn't just a luxury, it's a necessity. The right formula can hydrate, heal, and restore your skin, barrier without leaving you greasy or overwhelmed. In today's video, I'm diving into the top 5 best face moisturizers for dry skin, carefully tested and reviewed. Whether you're dealing with seasonal dryness or year-round discomfort, these 5 picks are here to give your skin the hydration it truly deserves. Kicking off our list at number 1, Hada Labo Gokujyun Premium Lotion. Hada Labo Gokujyun Premium Lotion is often misunderstood by Western audiences due to the term lotion in its name. But make no mistake, this is a deeply hydrating essence style moisturizer packed with 5 types of hyaluronic acid. Developed in Japan, it has a cult following among skincare enthusiasts seeking long-lasting hydration without irritation. It's especially loved for its simplicity and science-backed formulation designed for maximum moisture retention in the skin. Key features: this lotion is loaded with 5 different molecular weights of hyaluronic acid, which allows it to penetrate various layers of the skin for deeper hydration. It is fragrance-free, alcohol-free, oil-free, and paraben-free, making it ideal for even the most sensitive dry skin types. Its pH-balanced formula ensures it works in harmony with your skin barrier, preventing irritation or dryness. Benefits and usage: the key benefit is instant and lasting hydration that sinks into the skin without heaviness. It acts like a sponge, drawing in and locking moisture to prevent transepidermal water loss. After cleansing, just pat a small amount onto damp skin and follow with your favorite cream or sunscreen. It absorbs fast and preps your skin beautifully for layering other products. Usability: what makes it easy to incorporate into any routine is its watery, lightweight texture. Despite being incredibly moisturizing, it doesn't feel tacky or greasy. It works well for both day and night routines and plays nicely under makeup. A little goes a long way, and you can even layer it multiple times for a moisture sandwich effect. Durability: 170 ml bottle lasts months with daily use, making it incredibly cost-effective. Thanks to its airtight, minimalistic packaging and stable formula, it maintains its efficacy throughout the shelf life. The formula remains consistent in varying weather, making it a great year-round moisturizer for dry skin. In the second spot, we have the INKEY List Peptide Moisturizer. INKEY List Peptide Moisturizer brings science and affordability together in one compact jar. Specifically designed to target dull, dehydrated, and aging skin, this cream is packed with peptides that support skin firmness while delivering deep hydration. It's a powerful moisturizer with a minimalist approach that aligns with the INKEY List mission to keep skincare effective and accessible. Key features: the formula contains a dual peptide blend of Matrixyl 3000 and Syntax, which support collagen production and improve skin elasticity. It also includes glycerin, shea butter, and a small dose of dimethicone to seal in moisture and prevent dryness. The cream is free of parabens, alcohols, and harsh fragrances. Benefits and usage: this moisturizer provides rich, lasting hydration while helping to plump up the skin and smooth fine lines over time. It is suitable for both AM and PM use and can be applied directly after your serums. It instantly soothes dry skin, improves texture, and makes the skin feel supple and nourished with continued use. Usability: it comes in an airless pump jar, which dispenses the perfect amount and keeps the ingredients stable and hygienic. Its texture is rich without being greasy, and it absorbs nicely without leaving residue. It works well under makeup and can be paired with other actives like hyaluronic acid or retinol. Durability: thanks to its concentrated formulation, 1 jar goes a long way. The peptides remain stable over time due to the pump packaging, and users report seeing improvements in skin texture and dryness within 2 to 3 weeks of consistent use. It's a long-term hydrator that doubles as anti-aging care, making it incredibly durable in its benefits. Coming in at number 3 is the Curel Dry Skin Therapy Face and Body Lotion. Curel Dry Skin Therapy Face And body lotion is a dermatologist-recommended solution for those dealing with chronic dryness and sensitivity. Formulated by Kao Corporation in Japan, it's specifically made to restore and maintain the skin's natural ceramide levels, making it an ideal everyday moisturizer for dry and eczema-prone skin. Key features: this lotion is enriched with ceramides, glycerin, and allantoin, 3 powerhouse ingredients that help repair and protect the skin barrier. It's free from fragrance, colorants, and drying alcohols, and it's clinically tested to be safe even on very sensitive or compromised skin. Benefits and usage. The biggest benefit is its versatility. It deeply hydrates and calms irritated, flaky skin, both on the face and body. For facial use, apply after cleansing and toning, especially when the skin feels extra tight or red. It delivers an almost immediate soothing effect, and with continued use, reduces dry patches and flakiness. Usability: it's lightweight. Fast absorbing texture makes it ideal for both face and body use without feeling greasy. It comes in a generous pump bottle, which is convenient for daily use. It's particularly helpful during colder months when skin needs an extra boost of protection without heavy layering. Durability. One bottle provides long-term use due to the generous size and efficient formulation. The ceramide-rich formula has staying power. Its benefits continue even after hours of application, making it great for overnight skin barrier recovery. It holds up well under makeup and sunscreen, too, which adds to its versatility. Taking our fourth spot is Aveeno Ultra Calming Nourishing Night Cream. The Aveeno Ultra Calming Nourishing Night Cream is a reliable go-to for people whose dry skin also happens to be sensitive, easily inflamed, or rosacea prone. Infused with oat and feverfew extracts, it's specially crafted to replenish moisture overnight while calming signs of redness and irritation. Key features: this night cream contains Aveeno's signature active naturals oat complex and feverfew extract, known for their anti-inflammatory and skin-soothing properties. Glycerin, emollients, and nourishing fatty acids help rebuild the skin's barrier during sleep. It's fragrance-free, oil-free, and hypoallergenic, making it safe for nightly use on delicate skin. Benefits and usage. The key benefit here is twofold: hydration and calming. It provides deep moisturization while actively reducing visible redness or irritation from dryness. Apply this as the last step in your nighttime skincare routine. It helps your skin recover while you rest, and users often wake up to a noticeably softer, calmer complexion. Usability: it's smooth, buttery texture, spreads easily without tugging, and gets absorbed in seconds. It's thick enough for night care, but doesn't feel suffocating. Packaged in a wide-mouth jar, it's easy to scoop out the exact amount you need. It's also a great base to lock in the effects of serums or treatments used beforehand. Durability: a small amount goes a long way, and the effects are cumulative. Users report healthier, less reactive skin with nightly use over a few weeks. The cream retains its consistency and potency throughout its shelf life. It's particularly valuable during seasonal changes or post-treatment skin healing. And finally, at number 5, we have Josie Maran Whipped Argan Oil Face Butter. Josie Maran Whipped Argan Oil Face Butter is a luxurious and nourishing cream designed for dry, stressed, and mature skin. Infused with pure argan oil and whipped to a soft, airy texture, this face butter offers a unique combination of richness and lightness that hydrates deeply without clogging pores. Key features: the formula stars 100% pure argan oil, rich in essential fatty acids and vitamin E. Additional ingredients like shea butter, watermelon seed oil, and aloe nectar help soothe and soften the skin. It's cruelty-free, clean, and free from synthetic fragrances, parabens, and sulfates, aligning well with green beauty standards. Benefits and usage: this moisturizer melts into the skin, delivering deep, long-lasting hydration while improving elasticity and radiance. It's perfect for nighttime use or during the day when your skin feels extra parched. Use a dime-sized amount after cleansing and toning to seal in hydration and nourish skin deeply. Usability: its whipped texture glides effortlessly, making application feel indulgent yet effortless. It absorbs well for such a rich formula and doesn't leave a heavy film. It layers nicely with oils or serums, and the glass jar packaging gives it a spa-like touch. Though you may want to use a spatula for hygiene, durability, a jar can last several months even with regular use, thanks to its concentrated formula. Its natural oils retain effectiveness and deliver continued moisture throughout the night. This product is particularly effective in dry climates or cold seasons, maintaining softness and hydration over extended periods. Dry skin can be frustrating, but the right moisturizer makes a world of difference. Whether you need something lightweight like Hada Labo or deeply nourishing like Josie Maran's Face Butter, these 5 options cover every level of dryness. Hydration is the foundation of healthy skin, and with consistent care, your skin can feel soft, smooth, and resilient again.